Namaste, welcome to Path for Healthy Living. Today we are going to see few practices which help with happy shoulders. By happy shoulders I mean these practices help you relieving any pain which is accumulated in your shoulders, and they help in opening up your shoulders also. Before getting into practice, I would like to thank all of you who are practicing regularly, because I have received messages saying they are finding relief with respect to their knee pain, with respect to their back pain, and not only that, new mothers, young mothers, they are finding our pelvic floor strengthening exercises useful. Thank you very much for practicing regularly and taking care of yourselves. Let's get started. Lie down on abdomen and get your hands on either side of your chest like this. Chin down, elbows close to your body. Now as you inhale, raise your head and chest up and raise your palms also up. Now what we are going to do is, we will be inhaling here. Exhale. Inhale, get your hands back. While exhaling, get your hands in the front like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And go down. Take a long and deep breathe in. Breathe out completely. Take one more long and deep breathe in. And breathe out. Now let us practice. Next one. Again, get both your palms on either side of your chest here. Now as you inhale, raise up and stretch your hands in the front. Exhale, bring your hands back. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Keep breathing normally and breathe out. Take one more long and deep breathe in and out. Now interlock your fingers behind your head, forehead down, and just move your elbows up and down. Inhale. Follow with breathing. Exhale. Inhale. 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 Exhale. Relax. So each practice you can do around 6 to 10 times. Keep breathing normally. Breathe out completely. And then we'll be doing shoulder rotation. Stretch both your hands sideways at your shoulder level. Now just practice chin down this time. Just practice rotations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Keep breathing normally. Breathe out completely. Inhale. Exhale. Chin down. Get both your hands sideways. Now let your palms touch outside of your thighs like this. Now inhale, raise and turn your palms. Exhale, drop. Inhale, exhale. 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 Relax. Take a long and deep breath in. Breathe out completely. And the next practice is get both your hands like this, perpendicular, like your forearm and your bicep are making 90-degree angle. Now inhale, raise your head and chest up. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. We'll do it 6 more times. And relax. You can just relax like this. And slowly get up and sit. This is how we work on our shoulders, particularly if you are working in front of a computer or laptop whole day, and your happy shoulders help you getting relief from your cervical pain also, because shoulders support your neck muscles. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, keep practicing, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Comment in the comment box below so that you will be accountable regarding your practice. And subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive updates regularly. See you.